We're in the waiting area now of the bus station going to Nami Island. We came an hour earlier, so Hannah is crossing on the other side of the road. So this is the main highway, no? You observe how systematic is their traffic, no? The buses are arranged. They're on designated stops, no? Either the left or right. Here, the buses at the center. We're looking for a food to eat or a place to eat aside from the usual coffee shops. So we observe here so many coffee shops. The temperature is negative 3 degrees, no, right now. So we have 3 layers of clothing. So just imagine mo yung 3 degrees, no? Sub-zero, negative 3 degrees. So yung Incheon skyline. Ito siguro yung bus na magdadala sa Nami Island, no? Because we're in the bus station. Hannah just crossed, no, on the other side. So today is December 26, no, day after December 25. We're still on our Christmas vacation here in Incheon. They have malaking bagay talaga yung mga buses, no, sa transportation system. So we have the same setup here, no? Very organized. Buses are stopping on designated locations here. We're supposed to, there are another options. We'll be taking the Starbucks coffee. We're crossing the street.